Clap for that. Thank you. So, in the spirit of what I do as an impact artist and a songwriter, I got to collaborate with these beautiful young minds in a very, very short window. In literally about 2.5 hours of time, we met, we came up with concepts, they wrote original lyrics around SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, and around their lyrics, we recorded the song, and then I based a concept for a chorus for the song off of what they wrote. So literally, I say in about 3 hours' time, we created an original song from scratch, and we're gonna perform that for you today. And as we all know, the human race, we're kind of like beating up the planet, right? And if we don't change our habits, we're gonna be long gone. The title of the song is Long Gone. Y'all ready? So here's the thing. Remember what I said. As a professional recording artist, I don't perform songs I just wrote if I don't have it internalized. They are not yet professional recording artists. So what they're doing right now takes incredible courage and incredible support from y'all is what we need. So do we have your support? Yeah. How do y'all feel? You ready? Yeah. You're shaking? Yeah. With positive energy, let's do this. All right, so this is called Long Gone, brand new, created right here at MMUN. Let's go. And we need volume on this, please. Yeah, perfect. It's a vibe, y'all. Feel good? You feel good?
Even though the world's been spinning so long, so long, so long, if we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long gone. Right now it's looking like we got it all wrong, all wrong, all wrong. And if we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long gone.
We need clean water and sanitation. We need clean water in every nation. Our sixth goal of sustainability is ensuring sanitation availability.
Clean water is a necessity for everyone on the planet. If we work together, we can plan it, yeah!
So long, so long, so long. If we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long gone. Right now it's looking like we got it all wrong, all wrong, all wrong. And if we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long gone.
I feel for the people who don't have enough, and I want to change the life of those unlucky enough, and I want to make a difference when people say I can't, and I feel for the people cause I understand.
We live in a nation of open defecation. All these people are deprived of basic needs used to survive. Clean water is what we need. Clean water, it's clear to see. With this water we're going strong. Without it we would be long gone.
So long,
Y'all can make some noise, baby.
So long, if we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long gone. Right now it's looking like we got it all wrong, all wrong, all wrong. And if we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long gone.
See the turtles, fish and ducks caught in soda nets. Watch them swim, they should be gliding. No, they pay our debts. It's easy when you care, but hard to be prepared. Don't leave them all alone. Protect the seas and earth.
So long, so long, so long. If we don't change, we'll be long gone, long gone, long Right now it's looking like we got it all wrong. All wrong, all wrong. And if we don't change, we'll be long gone. Long gone, long gone. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There are people without clean water to drink, people with no soap to wash clean, who have waterborne sickness and nothing safe to eat. The water they wash leaves them dirtier than clean, but they have no other choice while living in poverty. There are children without these necessities. There are people denying their needs.
So long, so long, so long. If we don't change, we'll be long gone. Long gone, long gone. Right now it's looking like we got it all wrong. Yeah, all wrong. Yeah, all wrong. And if we don't change, we'll be long gone. Long gone, long gone. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for these students. Wait. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Come back. Come back.
Even though the world
Oh, it's a vibe. You could like play it low. We could run it low. Play the song again and just run it real low out.
been spinning so long.
Hold on, yeah, but down,
So
down.
long.
Yeah, just a little volume down, but let it ride. So we got some certificates for everyone. Boom, boom, boom. Miss Adelaide, make some noise. Clinton. That's brother and sister, by the way. Miss Ava. Miss Michaela. Vivian. Raya. And Teresa. Ryan and Teresa got the squad over there, huh? Wait. Oh, there you are. Awesome. Make some noise one more time and let's get a quick photo op real quick. Come to the front. Spinning around. Spin this around. Awesome. Y'all make some noise for these incredible students one more time. This is clutch creativity.
People who don't have enough, and I want to change the life of those unlucky enough, and I want.
I think we need to have a round of applause for our muse. There are so many inspiring people who use their talents in so many ways, and we clearly know what Alexander's gift is.